Children, have you ever seen a cat chasing a mouse? Near my house, there lives a cat and a mouse. One day, the hungry cat Chicky was trying to catch Mintu the mouse. The mouse was running on the stairs and Chicky was chasing it. There was a small hole near the 28th step. If the mouse reaches there, it can hide in the hole. The cat was on 3rd step. She could jump 3 steps at a time. Whereas Mintu, the mouse, was on 14th step and it could jump 2 steps at a time. So please help me to find out whether the mouse can get away safely. Let's see what could happen. The cat was on 3rd step. She could jump 3 steps at a time. So, the steps on which she will jump will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and so on. Similarly, Mintu, the mouse, was on 14th step and it could jump 2 steps at a time. So, the steps on which Mintu will jump will be 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 and so on. So all the steps of the cat, that is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on, comes in the table of 3 and are called multiples of 3. And similarly, the steps of the mouse comes in the table of 2 and are known as multiples of 2. So, the common steps where the mouse and the cat can meet will be 18 and 24, and these will be called as common multiples. So the cat met the mouse at 18th step and so she caught it. What do you think? The cat did well by eating the mouse? What will happen if all cats stop eating mice? Will it be good for our ecosystem? Let's see some more multiples. Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and so on. Can you tell multiples of 12? Yes, we have to say the table of 12. So, 12, 24, 36, 48 and so on are the multiples of 12. Children, you can play a dice game based on multiples as these two children, Bujo and Paheli, are playing. Bujo threw the dice and said, I have 3 and 6 on my dice. From these two digits, he can make the numbers 36 and 63. Since 36 is the multiple of 6 and 4, so it can be written in the ring of 6 and 4. Similarly, 63 comes in the table of 7, so it will be written in the ring of 7. Next, Paheli rolled the dice and 2 and 3 came on the dice. So, from 2 and 3, she can make the number 23 and 32. Since 23 is not a multiple of any of the given numbers, so she will take 32. Since 32 comes in the table of 4, so it's the multiple of 4 and can be written in that ring. So Bujo and Paheli are going to play it for 10 more rounds, and whoever will make more multiples will be the winner. Children, you can also play this game with your friends and family. Children, here are some multiples of 4 and 8. Do you find any common multiples in between them? Yes, 8, 16, 24 and few more are there. And among these, 8 is the least multiple. So, 8 is called the least common multiple of 4 and 8. Let's do few more with an activity. Draw 2 rings, one for multiples of 3 and one for multiples of 5. Let's write first 5 multiples of 3. And then first 5 multiples of 5. Oh, 15 is common in between 3 and 5. So, it can be written in the common place and it is the LCM of 3 and 5. In part 2, I will tell you about factors.